Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make some bacon beans. I'm gonna pack those beans with all kind of flavor and vegetables, and I'm gonna cook the bacon in the microwave, and then I'm gonna break it up, and we're gonna cook that down so that all that flavor of the bacon get into those beans. I can taste it now. Okay, alright, so I'm going to put the bacon in the microwave, and what I do is I put it on a plate like this, and then I put paper towel over the top like this, so when the oil splash it doesn't get all over the microwave. Okay, so I'm going to put this in on high. I'm thinking maybe 6-7 minutes, and it should be nice and crispy. Okay, alright, so I'm going to start with 5 minutes, and then I'll take a look at it. If I need to add the other minute or two, I will. So I'll see you back at that point. Okay, thanks. Okay, so the bacon is out of the microwave. As you can see, all the oil collects on the towel. Okay, so I'm going to just take this up. Alright, now we're going to put the bacon on another plate, so I can crumble it up. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to take my hand and just break it up into pieces. I have some cornbread cooking in the oven to go with our bacon and beans. Okay, so it's all broken up. Wash my hands. Okay. So now we're going to be using some kidney beans, and let me turn you to the stove. There we go. So this is light kidney beans. So I'm going to put the can in. Okay. Now we're going to start putting our other items to go with it. Ketchup. So we're going to pour at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. At that speed, okay? 1, 2, 3. Honey. Optional. You don't have to use honey. You can use sugar or no sweetener. 1, 2, 3. I have a package of Sassoon. I'm going to put that in there. Now I have some sofrito. You can go on one of my videos and look up sofrito, and you'll see how I made the sofrito. So I'm going to put 1, 2 heaping tablespoons of sofrito. And now the bacon. And by the way, that was 1/4 of a package of bacon. Okay, now I'm going to turn this on, let's go with number 4. I want this to cook for like 30 minutes to get that bacon flavor in there, okay? So I have it on number 4 on my stove, so that's very low. And we're going to let that cook for 30 minutes, okay? Okay, let me come right back with the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is pray. Let's pray for our nation. I understand that California shut down again today due to the sickness that's going on nationwide. So I'm sure that's just the beginning of some more states shutting down. So we definitely need to pray that this sickness go away and give people strength, because people are really going through. I heard another lady today has it for the 2nd time. It's crazy. It doesn't sound like they really have the answers, even though they are trying their best to get the answers, because some of the things that they've said is not panning out. Like they said, if you got it the first time, you wouldn't get it again. So, you know, we just need to pray. So when you say your prayers tonight, please pray for our nation, because we all need prayer. That's the word of the day. Thank you. Okay, so I'll be back in 30 minutes when the beans finish. Thank you. Okay, let me take a taste. Okay, I have the beans and bacon. Wow, that enhanced that dramatically. Cornbread. So good. Okay. Subscribe, thumbs up, share the video. Check out my links below. Love you. Bye-bye.